My name is Sunni Webb and I'm a Mental Health Act Manager for Cardiff and Vale. We monitor compliance with the Mental Health Act to make sure patient safeguards are met, ensure procedures are followed, provide support and information to everybody across the whole health board on all the different sites, you know, clinicians, nursing staff, patients and relatives. I love working in mental health because it really makes a difference to, you know, to everybody. It's something that we all suffer with, you know, even if we don't actually use the services, we all have our own issues, and I think it's really important to be part of it. I don't have one specific memorable experience. I mean, there's been lots of different things, but what I would say is I've made lots of good relationships and friendships, and we're more than a working team and colleagues. I think, you know, we're a little family. I think the facilities are going to be amazing. They're going to make such a difference to the patients and to the staff. I think it's going to benefit, you know, people coming to work and how they feel coming to work as well. I think it's fabulous. It's relaxing, it's welcoming, it's open and airy and spacious. I think the environment as a whole is going to have a huge impact on patients and support recovery. I think the recreational facilities are brilliant. We haven't had anything like that.